Gladys, and today we're going to assemble the Hanover Park crib. Make sure you have all the proper pieces and hardware, and if anything is missing, please call customer care. One way to know you have the correct hardware is to compare it with the illustrations that come in the instructions. Like that. The first step is to attach the feet to the front and back grille. Please use the labels as guidance. We're going to start with the back grille, and for this you don't need any tools. Now we're going to work on the front rail, and for this we will need 285mm bolts, 2 metal pins, and the provided Allen wrench. Don't forget to use the short side of the Allen wrench to tighten the bolts. And you're done. The next step is to attach the stabilizer bars to the sides of the crib. And for this we will need 4 barrel nuts, 4 wooden dowels, 4 80mm bolts, and the provided Allen wrench. And remember to always use the labels as guidance. Remember to always insert the barrel nuts sideways so the bolt can go through. Remember to use the short side of the Allen wrench to tighten the bolt. And you're done. Now we're going to attach the mattress support to the frame of the crib. And for this we will need 8 40mm bolts, 8 washers, 8 lug nuts, the provided Allen wrench, and an adjustable wrench that is not provided. First, we're going to position the mattress support on the frame of the crib. The bolt will go through from inside the frame of the crib. Remember to use the short side of the Allen wrench to tighten the bolts. Now we're going to adjust the position of the mattress support. This mattress support has 3 positions. You should start with the highest position for your newborn and then move downwards as your child grows. Remember to use the short side of the Allen wrench to tighten the bolts. And you're done. Now we're going to attach the back grille to the frame of the crib. And for this, we will need 6 90mm bolts, 2 wooden dowels, and the provided Allen wrench. This is a heavy piece, so you might need the help of a friend. Don't forget to use the short side of the Allen wrench to tighten the bolts. And you're done. The last step is to attach the front rail. And for this, we will need 6 35mm bolts and the provided Allen wrench. The bolts are gonna go from inside the frame. Remember to use the short side of the Allen wrench to tighten the bolt. And you're done. Remember to put the instructions back in the pouch they came in. You're going to need them later. Congratulations, you've just assembled your Hanover Park crib. A daybed conversion rail is included. Toddler guard rails and bed conversion rails are available for purchase.